This 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun 298 kilobytes is a Class C RV. It is located in Hot Springs, Arkansas, 71901 and is offered for sale by Quality Wheelz. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 30 feet 5 inches in length and features auxiliary battery, refrigerator, self-contained, TV antenna, smoke detector, external shower, TV, air conditioning, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front dinette, front living area, outdoor entertainment. This 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun 298 kilobytes is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Ford Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.